Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Grand International 2025. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Sa naganap na Miss Grand India 2025 The Grand Coronation Night ay hindi nakapagpigil ng nararamdaman si Miss Grand International 2024 CJ Opiaza sa kanyang naranasan bilang reigning queen ng Miss Grand International sa kanyang pagdating sa India. Ibinahagi lahat ni CJ ang kanyang nararamdaman at panoorin natin ito.
I would like to quickly share a story when I was on the plane going here to Jaipur. The pilot said, "You are surrounded by good people." And that simple message reassured me that I am about to land to a beautiful country filled with sincerity, love, and kindness. So to the Miss Grand International Organization of India and the people who widely opened their arms to welcome not only me but the whole organization of MGI, thank you so much for allowing us to be in this beautiful country and showing such amount of respect, gratitude, kindness as well, and love. Thank you. To all the girls competing for Miss Grand India, know that you have already poured so much time, effort, and everything in this competition. So that is something to be proud of. That is something worth celebrating. So congratulations to all of you. I know only one girl will take home the crown and represent your beautiful country in the international stage. But know that you have shown the entire world what it truly means to be a proud and powerful Indian woman. So to everyone, with or without a crown, walk with pride, but always guarded with humility. Once again, welcome to Miss Grand India 2025 and thank you so much.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita po tayo muli sa susunod na mga update at bagong balita